Hi friends, Namaste. I am an Indian person, so don't bother about that. What type of English language I am using here. Consider that generally what happens, we means buy variety from market. It may be tasty or not tasty, but most of the people take such type of means delicious mangoes of different varieties, and they means you can say keep the seed of that means you can say qualitative mango, and they plant and they grow the trees from that qualitative mango by hoping that they would get such type of delicious qualities variety from the seed. But friends, it is not happens, because these varieties are prepared from you can say two mangoes by using two varieties, and these are the hybrid varieties, and preparation of you can say of new varieties takes place due to cross pollination of two different quality of mango, and you get a third one different quality mango. And that's why whenever means you can say germinate such type of seedlings from qualitative you can say seed of mango, you will not get the same variety from that same you can say seed which you means brought from the market. So why it happens? All these things happens due to because these are the hybrid plants, and there is no such type of pollination takes place, and that's why whenever means you use that seed for means growing plants, you will not get the qualitative mango. And that's why whenever means this tree grows for 10 years or 20 years, you think that why this means quality is changed. So dear friends, that is the main reason that you cannot get such type of original variety from such type of means plant which you grow from seed. So if such type of plants if you have at your home or in your garden, then what we have to do? Generally people means think that this is the bad quality mango tree, and so they always used to means cut down it. So do not cut such type of trees. You have to apply this process of bar grafting, which means I use so many times in my garden and at my you can say relatives home. So dear friends, this is the best you can say technique, and this technique is called you can say bar grafting techniques. So what you have to do, you can cut mango tree whatever means of height, whichever height it has. So that is depend upon your choice at what height you have to cut that plant. If you want to cut from 8 feet or 10 feet, you can cut from 8 to 10 feet. If that plant is at your means orchard or in your garden, and if you want to means you can say graft that bar graft that plant from you can say a little height up to means so you can cut that plant from 3 or 4 feet above or 2 feet above from the ground. So that is in your hand. So best way that I would like to suggest you that whenever means that is in orchard or in your garden, and if you want a short tree such type, so you can cut it from 3 or 4 feet by saw, understand, such a way. And now what you have to do next? So you have to cut that tree by saw, karvat or axe also you can use it, and you have to cut that you can say top part that tree just slant down by means top portion to one end, understand, or you horizontally you can cut it, okay. And then what next? What is next? Understand, you have to cut you have to give vertical two vertical cuts. So consider that if that is means you can say of 1 feet circumference, then you have to fit 4 or 5 sands. And I already uploaded how to select sand. There are my videos in my video playlist, so you can see that selection of sand English also. So whatever means which quality you can say sand you want to select, understand. So you can select by defoliation by going to that original plant you can say which you like, understand. So you have to take sand, and you have to use fungicide liquid, understand, for you can say decline or getting away that fungus which is present on the sand. You can use fungicide for you can say 1 or 2 hours. You have to keep this sand, you can say quench this sand or keep this sand in the solution of you can say fungicide. you can prepare that. You take 1 tablespoon of, you can say, fungicide, just copper sulphate or boystein, and keep it, make a solution of 1 liter, and then keep that, you can say, cyan for 1 to 2 hours, and then you can use. You can even use fresh cyans also. So dear friends, you have to give to such type of a cut. That knife should be, you can say, thin, and the knife should touch the hardwood also. By such type, you can tilt, you can say, lose the, you can say, you can lose that, you can say, bark of the tree. Such type of videos are already uploaded. Bark grafting video, successful videos, as well as processing videos are uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can go my in a video playlist. One of the, you can say, bark grafting video is already uploaded by me in my playlist. You can see for total information, and which season is the best season for this. Rainy season is the best season, and what type of a temperature it should require. So the temperature must be, understand, between 25 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius, best temperature, understand, for the successful or for the best result, understand. So what we have to do after fitting this, understand, what type of means polythene you have to use. You have to use polythene strips of width must be 2 inch or 3 inch width, and 52 microns polythene should be used, which has, you can say, elasticity. So you have to use such type of polythene strips, understand, because it has such type of elasticity by which you can tightly, you can say, wrap total cut part of that, you can say, tree, means that is circumference, and after means, you can say, binding all these parts, understand. You have to bind this circumference by polythene strip such a way. Now look, and I am going with the process now. So best season, I already told you which is the best season. What type of cyan we have to select, already I told you. If in your, means, you can say, surrounding or neighbor there are so if you have best quality is mango, you have to do defoliate the cyan. Now see that packing, last portion or the tip is, you can say, inserted by one of the ring, and I stretch it, by which now on the, what about in the top portion, the cyan which are, means, coming from the top portion, there is a gap. So you have to use wax there, understand. So wax, you can say, wax is already, you can get this wax in hardware Shopee, where means furniture material, furniture preparation material is, you can say, sold. So that wax you have to, means, soften the wax, and then on the top part where, means, the cyans are coming from the top part, there is a gap. You have to, means, you can say, fill that gap, that is wax, by wax, understand, tightly. That wax should not go inside, only that wax should be on the top of the part which is open. You have to fill that, means, the top part by wax, total part, and then on the top part make you have to keep such type of a polythene strip, which end, both the ends should be, means, go downwards 2 inch in all sides. Such type of polythene strip you have to cover to top portion. Now look this video, such type you have to, means, cover this. Now see how this, means, spread on the top. Now after that you have to such a way, and after that you have to cross these polythenes one to another, where at the top of the cyan, where the cyans are coming from the root stock. Root stock means that plant where it is cut by us. Now after spreading all these polythenes, the ends which are coming down, understand, on the lower part 2 inch every side, you have to tight, you have to snatch all the, you can say, ends towards downside. That means there would be tightness on the top, and then you have to use 4 inch such type of a polythene strip, by which all the outcoming, you can say, polythene ends should be tightly wrapped. Now we are wrapping all these outcomings, top ends of the spreading polythene strips which are coming from the top part. these all strips ends should be tightly wrapped by such type of polythene strip, and then after wrapping you have to use, you can say wire, polythene wire, such type of, or cotton wire you can use tightly, and then you can wrap top portion by any big polythene. You have to give holes to 2 to 3 holes to the top polythene, or instead of that you can use such type of Pepsi strips. Now look, Pepsi strip, it is closed at one side and another side is opened, understand. So thank you dear friends. If you like this, you will whenever it will grow,